continuing education for recorded presentations with the Rejected Conference. The first thing you'll do is log into your account and then click on My Courses. You will scroll down until you see the Rejected Conference. We have the presentations listed as well, so you can choose based off the title of the presentation. But if you want to see the conference in order, you can, this is the best way to access it. So you just choose which presentation you're wanting to watch. We'll pick this one, Event-Based Learning, and you'll click View Recording. And then you'll click Start Course. You will view the webinar, and when it's finished, you will complete the training feedback. This will unlock, and you'll be able to complete the training feedback, and then you'll have your CEs. Also notice when in our videos for the recordings, we have this materials tab. You can click on that and you will have access to the slides from the training, from the presentation. It's a lot of slides. This was a 2-hour presentation. And then there's also a resource for this particular training. There was one other resource that was shared as well. And you can download any of these materials directly so that you can access them. And while you're watching recorded presentations, there's also this option here to take notes. You can take your notes and then save them if you would like to do that as you're watching the presentation. If you have any questions or issues, please make sure to email Megan at dobettercollective.us.